Before you start brushing your teeth with the TrueLife Sonic brush, you can choose a cleaning mode. Press the button for mode selection and pick one of the following. The basic mode clean is suited for regular brushing. Sensitive mode is for sensitive teeth because it brushes much softer. Whiten adds a whitening procedure. And under massage mode, the brush pulsates while brushing, stimulating your gums gently. Your toothbrush will even remember the last mode you picked. It will automatically suggest it the next time you turn your toothbrush on. You can either stick with it or make a different decision. So after you select your mode, you can go ahead and brush your teeth. In a few easy steps, we will explain how to use the Sonic toothbrush properly. Put your toothpaste onto the toothbrush before turning it on, which you should do only after you put the toothbrush on your teeth. The first step is to brush your teeth from the outer edge. The toothbrush needs to be held horizontally with slow movements along the lines of your gums. Every tooth needs a few seconds. By tilting the toothbrush, you will be able to reach even the most hidden parts of your tooth. After finishing the previous part, move on to the inner side of your teeth. Slowly brush over the whole area of your tooth. Give extra attention to your lower jaw and scissors, since they are prone to dental plaque. Do not forget your molars and the spaces between your teeth. Now, the next part of brushing the teeth, which are specialized for chewing. They need to be cleaned slowly and thoroughly, tooth by tooth. For maximum efficiency, divide the brushing into 4 sections. Brush each one of them for 30 seconds. For information on the length of a certain step, there is a timer function built into the toothbrush. It will make sure the device automatically stops each step after 30 seconds, and a signal will let you know when to move on to the next step. Once the body of the toothbrush is turned off, it can be placed into the charging station, which is connected to a plug. A red indicator of charging should light up. A battery will last around 20 cycles after charging or brushing 2 times a day for 10 days in a row. To increase battery life, it is helpful to charge your toothbrush whenever you're not using it. Simply put it back into the station and charging will begin automatically.